Parmesan-crusted cauliflower is so delicious you'll make it every week. This Parmesan-crusted cauliflower is a delicious dish that features tender cauliflower florets with a crispy golden Parmesan cheese crust. Finishing the dish with lemon zest and parsley adds a nice brightness. Serve this dish alongside roast chicken, pork and more. Crispy, cheesy, and with just the right amount of spicy kick from cayenne, this Parmesan-crusted cauliflower comes together quickly. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable because it can take on so many different flavors and be so incredibly craveable, especially when coated in Parmesan and finished with fresh lemon zest and parsley. It's also incredibly nutritious, rich in fiber as well as vitamin C, which is great for maintaining healthy skin. Check out our expert tips on how to prevent a soggy texture. Tips from the Health Spark Kitchen. These are the key tips we learned while developing and testing this recipe in our test kitchen to make sure it works, tastes great, and is good for you too. Use a smaller sheet pan. The smaller surface area will yield a thicker Parmesan cheese crust. While it's best to cut florets from a head of cauliflower, you can purchase pre-cut florets at the grocery store. Just make sure to cut any larger florets in half. For a smoky variation, you can replace the paprika with smoked paprika. Or you can add a little onion flavor by topping the cauliflower with chives instead of parsley. Wait until the cheese cools down and hardens before breaking it apart and serving. Nutrition notes: cauliflower is packed with nutrition and it's particularly rich in potassium. Adding more potassium to your diet helps to pull excess sodium out of your body, which can lower blood pressure. Parmesan cheese is an excellent option when looking to maximize nutritional benefit in your meals. 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese has as much calcium as 1 cup of milk. That's good news for your bones and your taste buds. Some Parmesan cheese is made with animal rennet, making it not vegetarian. If you're following a vegetarian diet, be sure to purchase Parmesan labeled as vegetarian. Extra virgin olive oil is brimming with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Using extra virgin olive oil in place of foods high in saturated fat can help lower your LDL cholesterol and reduce chronic inflammation. Ingredients: 1/4 cups grated Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, a half teaspoon ground pepper. Divided 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 medium head cauliflower. Cut into bite-sized florets, 6 cups, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup chopped fresh flat leaf parsley, 2 spoons grated lemon. Zest directions: preheat oven to 425 dF. Line a large rim baking sheet with parchment paper. Combine 1 1/4 cups Parmesan, 2 teaspoons each paprika and Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon pepper and 1/8 teaspoon cayenne in a large bowl. Spread in an even layer on the prepared baking sheet. Place cauliflower in the same large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons each oil and lemon juice and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Toss until well coated. Arrange the cauliflower florets cut size down in a single layer directly on top of the Parmesan mixture. Roast until the cauliflower is tender crisp and the Parmesan is golden brown. 15 to 20 minutes. Let stand until the cauliflower cools and the Parmesan is set. 6 to 8 minutes. Top with 1/4 cup parsley and 2 teaspoons lemon zest before serving. 3. Improve your posture. Posture plays a big role in how well you take in oxygen. According to Tokshi, if you hunch over and slouch, you're going to compress your lungs and your diaphragm, so you can't get those nice, full, expansive breaths, she explains. Instead, she recommends keeping your shoulders back and your chest proud. Want more running tips? Have a read through our guide on how to perfect your running form or try doing these exercises for runners, which could make your sprints feel easy.